Select the range of cells in which you want to prevent duplicate values. In my case, it is going to be A2, A11. Go to Data tab, select Data Validation, go to Settings tab, choose Custom. From the Allow drop-down list, enter a formula in the formula control equals count if $A, $2, $A, $11, comma, A2 equals 1. Select Error Alert tab. In here, type the title, duplicate value, in the error message box, type the value is duplicate. Select OK. If you now try to enter a duplicate value, Excel will show error message.